I would like to show you the perfect gift for birthdays, but now especially with the holiday season coming, for Christmas. Perfume called Ocean Breeze. Okay, I love the bottle. It looks so manly. Okay, yeah, I love it. 100 ml. And let's see if yeah, just like an ocean breeze, but it's woody at the same time, has a touch of cinnamon in it and like a warm spice. Yeah, this is the perfect gift. I'm in love. It smells insane, guys. It smells absolutely great. And it's elegant and modern. Yeah, I love it. I definitely love it.